In this video, I will solve your doubts about how to use Litematica in Aternos server and whether or not it is possible to do this. Litematica is primarily a client-side mod. What this means is that when you install Litematica, you can just join any server. You won't be blocked from doing so, even if the people on the server or the server itself doesn't have Litematica. And you can still use your schematics as long as client-side mods are allowed. So because the mod is developed to be used client-side, or rather single-player if you want to think about it that way, it is impossible to add Litematica directly into a server. If you have friends who are playing on an internal server and all of you want to basically build the same Litematica schematic, all of you have to download Litematica individually and then you can use it together. If you go to plugins on Aternos and you look for Litematica, the only one that actually matters is KYU. So if you click on this specific plugin, this one will allow you to share schematics with other people who have Litematica installed. Share Litematic with other players on the server. So you have to download Litematica individually for everyone who is on the server, and then you download this plugin into your Aternos server, KYU. With that plugin downloaded, now you will have the Litematica functionalities and multiplayer, but downloading the actual Litematica mod itself for a server is impossible. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to let people be aware about the limitations and the functionalities of Litematica in a multiplayer server. If this video cleared up any questions that you had, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.